Let's be school ready with Teacher Ray. Do you ever wonder why we say the dog, but also say the ant? The or the. Say the right way. We say the before words that start with consonant sounds. For example, the word boy begins with a consonant sound B. So we say the boy. The word star begins with a consonant sound S. So we say the star. Remember, don't look at the letter, listen to the sound. The word unicorn begins with a vowel, but has a consonant sound Y. So we say the unicorn. Let's say it again. The unicorn. We say the before words that start with vowel sounds. For example, the word apple begins with the vowel sound A. So we say the apple. The word elf begins with the vowel sound E. So we say the elf. Amazing work! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.